Hey there, Escambia County Public Schools. Thank you for joining us for your Tech Tip in a Flash with the Instructional Technology Professional Learning Team. Today, we're going over our newest release in our Google Docs series. That's right, we're talking about version history and details. So let's begin. When you're on your Google Doc, you could go to File and look at version history from here. Now for me personally, I like using the clock in this top right-hand corner. When I hover over it, it tells me when the last edit was made. If I click it, this screen is what is going to appear. You'll see that I have 2 total edits for this particular document. Now on the right-hand side, there's the version history. And we have different versions as this document was edited. Now these ellipses give you more actions, and I'll go over those in just a second. Now what you're noticing is that each version is named with the date and the time. When you click it, you'll notice on the left-hand side, it changes. Anything that was changed by a particular person will be highlighted in the color that's next to the name. For example, Instructional Technology. If you want to, you can name each version. You could click it and name, or you could use the more actions here. You could restore the version, rename it, remove the name altogether, or make a copy of just that version. You can see I named this one the original version. If I go to this drop-down, I can look at all versions or only the named versions. So you have a choice here on what you prefer. Now when I go back to all versions, remember any of these carets will drop down every edit that was made. You can see those right here. At any time, you could also use this blue button to restore that version. And if you want to go back to your original document where you were making real-time edits, click the back button. And now you've looked at version history in Google Docs. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to check out our other recommended video that's here on the side, because that is A Byte of Tech.